एक बारी भगवान सूर्य को एक श्राप मिला. He was cursed and he lost his radiance. उनका ताप, उनकी heat he lost. And when Surya Bhagwan came here, he saw the radiance of this Rajya. That is why the name Lolark. Lolark literally means, कहते हैं उस वक्त लोलार्क कुंड में की गई पूजा से आपको संतान प्राप्ति, धन धान्य, जो भी आपकी मनोकामना है यहाँ पर पूर्ण होती है. तो अभी हम आए हैं लोलार्क कुंड में, काशी में स्थित ये कुंड, और हम एक्चुअली वी आर सिटिंग इनसाइड द कुंड एंड दैट्स ब्यूटीफुल, जस्ट नियर टू भगवान सूर्य, एंड इट्स बिलीव दैट ही इज present here, like physically present here, and you cannot actually come down and sit here and do your sadhana, but it's only been possible through Shri Mandir, and with their efforts they connect people like you and I to the temples and to our culture, to our heritage, so eternally grateful to them. So when I'm sitting here, I can only think of this one story which is coming into my mind, is from Kashi Khand. It says कि एक बारी भगवान सूर्य को एक श्राप मिला. He was cursed and he lost his radiance, उनका ताप, उनकी heat, he lost his glow, and he was very upset by it, and he started doing a lot of tapasya, a lot of austerities in the name of Bhagwan Shiv. Just like how Bhagwan Shiv is, he blessed him and restored his radiance, and he also established this kund. Bhagwan Shiv also established this kund for Bhagwan Surya, and he said that you're going to be here in my city in Kashi along with the Navagrahas as well. So this place becomes very important and also very special for all the yogis and sadhaks, you know, because as sadhaks and yogis, we revere the sun, the source of all life, because if sun decides to not shine one day, everything is going to become obsolete, right? We do the Surya Namaskar, we have Surya Nadi within us, Surya Bhedi Pranayam as well. So Surya is very, very important in our sadhana and in the stability of our sadhana, because Surya represents the masculine side of our existence. There's Surya Nadi and there is Chandra Nadi. So the masculinity side of things, the stability, the establishment of your sadhana begins here in the Surya Kund. There's also another very interesting story that एक बार भगवान शिव अपनी तपस्या करने के लिए जब मंदार पर्वत, कैलाश पर्वत, कई स्टोरीज बोलती हैं, जब वो चले गए, and one king started to rule the city of Kashi. The king's name was Divodas, right? He started to rule and his rule was magnificent. बहुत अच्छा राज्य उनका, सब सुखी, सब बढ़िया उनके राज्य में. And after the tapasya, when he came back, Bhagwan Shiv, the king said that I don't want anyone to come back, and let me be the ruler of Kashi. And then Bhagwan Shiv sent Bhagwan Surya here to just go and, you know, explain it to this king that I want to come back to my city. And when Surya Bhagwan came here, he saw the radiance of this Rajya, that even his radiance, his heat was trembling. He started to tremble looking at the magnificent Rajya that King Devodas has built in Kashi. That is why the name Lolark. Lolark literally means trembling. So trembling sun is, you know, what this kund represents. हिस्टोरिकली यहाँ पे एक राजा था, कूच बिहार नाम का, जो इस एरिया को रूल करता था. he didn't believe in any healing properties of this kund, and he was a skeptic that this doesn't work. और उसको ही थोड़े दिनों बाद he was contracted with leprosy, the skin disease. So everyone got him here and he was persuading, and he accidentally slipped inside the kund, and he was astonished to see that his skin and his body was healed just by taking a dip inside the kund. So he was so in reverence of this place that the structure that you see today, it was built by this ruler Cooch Bihar, and his name is also up here still now. So whatever you see right now, the structure, it was built by this king. तो यहाँ लोलार्क कुंड में एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल लगता है, उसको बोलते हैं लोलार्क षष्ठी. ये शरद नवरात्रि के जस्ट पहले होता है. शरद नवरात्रि वही जिसमें दशहरा आता है, उसी के जस्ट पहले ये मनाया जाता है. और यहाँ लोग आते हैं अपनी मन्नतें लेकर के. कहते हैं उस वक्त लोलार्क कुंड में की गई पूजा से आपको संतान प्राप्ति, धन धान्य और जो भी आपकी मनोकामना है वो अवश्य यहाँ पर पूर्ण होती है. सूर्य, जैसे मैंने कहा, हमारी मैस्कुलिन साइड को दर्शाता है. So he is also the source of everything. So when you look up to the source of life, that immediately resonate and correspond to Santan Prapti, to to growth in your life. Just like plants grow with the help of Surya, even we, vitality, our virility for that matter, also grows with the power of Surya. And that is why Surya becomes very important, and Lolar Sashti in that matter becomes very, very important.